So today I'm about to go link up with Mike, and we're gonna go pick up the Porsche in San Jose at the San Jose airport, and I'll show you how easy it is to do a pickup and a drop off. Alright, just got to my crib, finna link up with him and do the Porsche pickup, but this is a whole nother video I'm about to show y'all right now. What's good?
What's up, man? Yeah, I forgot to say, this car hella smells like smoke.
For real?
Yeah, like it's gonna get on your clothes and stuff.
This is the same person that did this?
Yep. Hella smoked it up.
So he probably is at fault for this.
Probably.
Oh. We'll talk about it. It's a whole nother video. Alright, so I'm here with Mike. Where he at? Boom.
Hey, what's up? What's up?
So the person that had the Porsche wanted to drop it off early. And instead of us rushing out to go pick up the Porsche because he wanted to change his trip time at the last minute, we just gave him instructions on where to park it safely at the airport, to leave the parking ticket, and they'll pay for the parking, not us, right?
Yep. A lot of times when you have a lot of cars, you kind of got to figure out ways to maneuver around. So because we can't meet him right away, or because he wanted to meet earlier, we just had him, like Josiah said, just drop off our car at the airport parking lot, leaves the parking ticket inside the car, and the customer's going to pay for the parking. Obviously, I'm not going to pay for the parking because it was his decision to drop it off early. And simple as that. We're going to go pick up the Porsche right now. It's going to be waiting for us there in the parking lot. The ticket's in the car, the keys in the car, and pick it up and then just head right back.
Smooth.
Yep.
Alright, I'll let y'all know when we get there. Hella windy. Yeah. So obviously we couldn't meet him here earlier. This will Let's do a quick walk around, make sure everything's straight. And we all good. Alright, as you can see, I made it back. Today I wanted to do a video on the Jag, but instead ended up doing some videos with the Porsche. I'm sure y'all appreciate that just as much, but I just wanted to show you the process overall. It's not too bad with the pickup and drop offs. Realistically, if you want to count how long it takes, 20-30 minutes as far as taking your photos, delivering in the car. If it's in a close area, sometimes it's a little bit more if you have to go to an airport that's farther away. But for the most part, we charge a decent delivery fee for the airport drop-offs. For instance, for San Jose, I think with this car we charge $80. For San Francisco airport, we charge like $90 to deliver there. Oakland airport's a little bit closer, so we charge a little bit less. We charge about $30 to $50 or $25 to $50 for Oakland airport. But anyway, we make it worth our while. But I just wanted to show you that. As you can see, we got the Porsche back, nice and safe. Little Boxster. And that should wrap up this video. I'm gonna get back to the crib because I'm tired of being out in this rain. I hope this was helpful, beneficial as far as getting a little bit more insight on how long it takes and what the process is with these cars. Obviously, you want to take the pictures before. You want to take your pictures afterwards. You want to document anything that happens. You want to document the mileage at the start, the fuel level at the start, and then if they do return the car over miles, you charge an additional fee per mileage. If they return the car less than what gas was left in it, you charge to refill the gas. It's simple. It's really common sense stuff, but sometimes guests don't understand or they try to get over on you. They don't treat it like a business, so it is a business for us. That's pretty much it. Give y'all a little startup real quick before I head back.